Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm working for a startup Smart Data Solutions. Today, I'm going to introduce the AssetHub service module to you. The second step into the world of Industry 4.0 is visualization. With the Siga AssetHub service module, you have the opportunity to visualize and manage all the service events and all the gathered information. The knowledge and management of the installed base is easy and always accessible. It's a new way of asset management. The AssetHub service module includes an easy web-based tool, all registered devices are clear, structured, a traffic light system which shows an overview of the current maintenance status and next maintenance events. And all service documents are assigned to the corresponding machines and always at hand. With the Siga AssetHub service module, you benefit from decreasing service management effort, increasing worker safety, and minimizing unplanned downtime.